In today's video, I am going to teach you how to prepare your Canva designs for print. We'll walk through the exact settings to use so your colors look right. Your edges are clean and your printer gets a file that's ready to go without any surprises. First, open your design in Canva. Make sure you are in the final version of the file you want to send to print, with your text, images, and layout already in place. This keeps the focus on preparing, not editing. Next, go to File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Print Bleed. You'll see a faint boundary appear around the edges of your page. Anything that is meant to go right up to the edge of the paper, like background colors or photos, should extend past the final cut line into this bleed area. Doing this prevents thin white slivers from appearing after trimming, which can happen even with precise cutting. Design at the proper dimensions from the start. Work at the actual final size you plan to print, or choose a Canva template with the correct dimensions already set. This ensures proportions are accurate and avoids scaling later, which can soften details or shift layout elements. When it's time to export, select Share. Then Download and choose File Type. PDF Print. This setting gives you a high-resolution, press-ready file. It preserves crisp vector text and shapes, and it's the format most printers prefer for reliable output. If you have Canva Pro, switch the color mode to CMYK in the download settings. CMYK is the standard for professional printing and typically produces a closer match to what will come off the press, compared to RGB, which is designed for screens. This small change can make a big difference in how your colors land on paper. Still in the download menu, tick the option for crop marks and bleed. Crop marks are small guidelines placed at the corners of your design. They tell the print shop exactly where to trim, and pairing them with bleed ensures your artwork runs perfectly to the edge after cutting. Finally, check Flatten PDF. Flattening reduces complex layers and effects into a single print, safe surface. It helps avoid issues like missing fonts, shifted text, or transparency glitches that can appear when different systems interpret your design differently. That's it. Thanks for watching.